Share ko lamang po sa inyo, ito pong dalawang Batavia lettuce na pinadala po ng ating grower from the community. Kahapon po, these are Batavia grown from seeds called Olmeti. At ang Olmeti po ay galing po yan sa brand ng Rikes One. Yung isa po dito, 45 days. Yung isa po dito, 40 years old. 40 days old. Around 45 days po, ano? Yung isa around 40 days. Now, I assume this is the 45-day-old because it's bigger than the other. And this would probably be the 40-day-old lettuce because it's simply smaller than the other. But nonetheless, these are around po, nothing specific, so around 2 days. You can give it a plus or minus a couple of days. But nonetheless, so ang concern po natin, number one, thank you po sa ating grower. Ito po ay napakagandang lettuce na pinadala kahapon. So ang concern po ng grower is, sabi niya, number one, I've been growing Olmeti for quite some time. And I noticed that these Olmeti, at least this batch, these are greener than usual. Yeah? Also, sabi niya, number two, this Olmeti seems to be compact than usual. So, compact, yeah? Bilog, compact, hindi siya ganun kasing lalaki. Ngunit, sabi niya, maraming dahon. Yeah? Ang dami niyang dahon. Tapos, ang dami na ng dahon, ang sisinsin pa. Sinsin meaning dikit-dikit yung mga dahon. So, hindi ganun kayabong, hindi siya ganun kalaki yung mga dahon. Ngunit, mas marami siyang dahon at masinsin. Yeah? So, let's try to answer this question. So, let's go to number one. Bakit ba mas green yung Olmeti niya ngayon? So, if you notice, we've just shifted our season from dark and rainy days and overcast days into the summer. So, pag lumabas po kayo ngayon, maaraw na nga, consistent na yung araw, mainit pa yung araw. Ibig sabihin, ang araw po ngayon ay consistent during the summer. The lights are consistent and with high intensity. So, ang nangyayari po sa ating mga tanim is tumataas po ang kanyang photosynthetic rate, kung tawagin. Sa photosynthetic rate po, which is, well, what you call photosynthesis. So, dahil mataas po yung kanyang photosynthetic rate, mataas din po ang production ng chlorophyll. Yung chlorophyll po is one of the things used to convert light energies into chemical energies. So, yan po, in plain, technically, yan po yung, in very short answer, yan po yung explanation ng photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis includes three things. Basic po tatlo. Sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Yeah? Now, so, yung increased sunlight, actually increased consistent sunlight, tapos increased intensity in sunlight. That's now driving your chlorophyll production. And chlorophyll is actually a pigment that is color green. Yes, so kaya itong mga ito ngayon, itong mga lettuce na ito, green na green siya. Okay. So simply, that's because of the increased consistent sun and higher intensity of sunlight. Okay. Now, bakit sabi niya? Bakit parang ang liliit ngayon? Bilog siya. Okay siya, maliit siya. Ngunit mas marami siyang dahon. So, that is actually. So, ito po kahapon po dumating ito Kahapon po dumating, take note. So, ngayon po pangalawang araw niya na dito. Kahapon po, mas masinsin pa yan. Parang ang hirap ibukas kasi dikit-dikit siya. So, ang ginawa po namin yan ngayon ay nilagay namin sa ilalim ng grow light. Sa grow light namin pinatubo. Since cluster day lang naman. At dito, controlled environment po, dito rin po, naka-aircon sila. Yeah? So what happened? Bakit compact? Bakit green na, compact pa? Nawala yung pagkabuhaghag ng dahon, pero dumami. Dumami yung bilang ng dahon. Okay, so this is what's called a morphological change, leaf change, or morphological adjustment. Now, this is a survival mechanism of the plant. Bakit po? Batavia ito, di ba? Ang Batavia po talaga naturally mabuhaghag ang mga dahon. Ngayon pong mataas ang intensity ng sunlight, pag ginawa niyang mabuhaghag ang dahon niya, sasaluhin niya lahat ng init. Lahat ng init galing sa Galing lahat sa sunlight at makakasama po sa kanya. Mag-i-increase po yung leaf temperature niya, masisira yung mga enzymes niya, magkakaroon siya ng cellular damage, hindi siya lalaki ng maayos at most likely maaaring ikamatay ng mga lettuce. And lettuce, ang mga lettuce po, hindi po talaga ito pang tropical country naman para tumubo, pang malalamig na bansa po ito. So, nonetheless, that's one of the things the plants are doing to survive the intense heat from the sun. It's by making smaller leaves. Pero ang ginawa niya, so tinanggal niya yung biomass niya from creating larger leaves, pero dinamihan naman niya yung dahon niya. Doon niya nilipat yung biomass niya sa dami ng dahon. At bukod po doon, kung mapapansin niyo po, tingnan niyo, hawakan din niyo po yung mga lettuce ninyo, makakapal po ang kanyang mga dahon ngayon. So, simply, it changes it morphologically adjusted as a survival mechanism from the intense sunlight, whereby nilitan niya yung dahon niya, dinamihan naman niya yung dahon niya, nilipat niya yung biomass sa pagdami ng dahon, tsaka makakapal ang kanyang mga dahon ngayon. Yeah? So, resulting to a more compact lettuce, greener lettuce, siyempre, pag niliitan mo nga naman yung mga dahon mo, so yung same pigments mo, yung same chlorophyll pigments mo, magiging dense din siya. So this will result to green. Mas marami na, mas dense pa. Yeah? So magiging mas berde talaga yung inyong lechugas. So, that's it for today. And of course, thank you to the person, to our grower who sent this lettuce to us. Ito po ay magiging aking hapunan ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And of course, we encourage the community, if you have questions, send us your questions, send us your concerns, and we will try to demystify some of the puzzles out there in cultivation. Yung mga bumabagabag sa atin, susubukan ni NutriHydro yung i-demystify yan. Of course, NutriHydro, as you may have noticed, we work with credible and legitimate professionals, mga chemical engineers, biochemists. We also work with some of the top minds in the country. We work with some of the universities and some of the researchers in the country who can help us bridge the gap between science and cultivation. Yeah? So, this is Chris. And maraming salamat po for sharing your time with me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!